Guys, for the past few days now, we've been discussing on volatility 75 and how we can have successful trading opportunity with it. In today's video, it's going to be a continuation, but it's going to be in a unique way. Okay, yesterday's video was on the swing trading aspect. Today we continue from the swing trading aspect, but we will look at how we can lock up our profits while we are trading this, because in most cases swing trading we usually go for a very long time, and most of the time we are always scared of leaving our trade open all through the night. Okay, but if you have an opportunity to lock up your profit in case the market is reversing unknowingly due to one situation or the other that is going out there, then definitely, if you are not online at that particular time, you don't want to lose your profit. So you should learn to save some of your profits and also to edge out once this is happening. Okay, even though you are not online at that particular time. So I will be breaking everything down to you guys in this video. I will be breaking everything down for you guys in this video, and I will be explaining to you how you can get to that level and start milking the market with, using this strategy. And this can go for a very long time because it is very unique. Okay, it is a unique way of trading. So guys, we will be looking at that in this video, but before we go fully into that, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you just need to do is just to take some time, browse through the channel, watch some of my video clips, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. This is very important. Okay, if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And of course, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you want to know more about my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so now and turn on the notification bell to all notifications? That way you always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right away. Let's go straight into what we have right away. So like I said earlier on, we are looking at an opportunity to trade volatility 75 for a very long time, and definitely we will still want to lock up some of the profit for ourselves in case there is a reversal in price action, more especially when we are not online, to save some of the profit for ourselves. Okay, so this is what you do whenever you want to do that. I always advise you to start from either 15-minute time frame upward. Okay, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or H1, even daily time frame. It all depends. They are all very good for swing trading. Okay, and another beautiful thing about that is that the signals you get around there are always stronger than the one you get on the lower time frame in lower cases. Okay, but there is one thing I always tell you: before you can trade any of these, you should know your trend very well. Once you are able to know the direction of the market, it will help you to trade this asset for a very long time. Then you should be able to identify your support and your resistance level, and definitely your you will know your entry point and your exit point. So in that case, like I said, this will help you to know the direction. Knowing the direction of the market will help you to milk this asset for a very long time. Okay, so let's say right here, at this support zone, the market was on uptrend. Okay, we decided to come in from this arrow. Okay, so we want to milk the asset from the beginning of this uptrend to the very end, but we don't know when it is going to end. It might take some days, it can take some hours, it all depends. Okay, so I'll probably, and we don't want to leave it open and have a sudden reversal in price action which can wipe off our profit and even some of our capital, if not all. So what we just need to do is just to apply this strategy. Okay, I'm going to quickly highlight the strategy so that you will understand how to go about it. Okay, so you will understand how to go about it. So I will be using 3 horizontal lines to do this, and I will try as much as possible to change the color so that we will be able to identify them or differentiate them from from one horizontal line to another. Okay, so let me use this yellow horizontal line as our entry point, and here is our entry point. Okay, we are coming in here, and you can see how this happened. It went up and came down to that support zone, then later on went up. Okay, so if it is going up, and the white line will be the current price action, so it's picked up from here again and went up. It's going up and down, but more of up than down. It has gone to this level. What I expect you to do to save some of the profit for yourself is to divide the margin between, or the space between, your current action price and your entry point into two. So when you divide it into two, then definitely you can put your stop loss right here. Okay, you introduce your stop loss. Your red line is your stop loss. Okay, so you introduce your stop loss. Yes, this is what that we do. Okay, once the price action reverse back and it gets to your stop loss, then it will take you out of the market, and the profit between your stop loss and your entry points will go straight to your balance. Okay, that's amazing, right? So as the price action is moving up, you adjust your stop loss with it. Okay, always target, if you cannot do the calculation very well, always target the middle of the action price and the entry point. Okay, and once you have fixed your stop loss at that point, okay, even if it's coming down, do not take your stop loss downward. Your stop loss should always be going up. Okay, so if it is coming down, allow it. If it gets to your stop loss, then that is good. That means it does time for you to take your profit. If it does not and it picks up back, then you notice that it has gone up further than, or probably the space between here and the stop loss is bigger than the profit you locked up. You adjust your stop loss upward again. Okay, take it upward, and that will help you to increase the profits margin you are locking up. Okay, it will help you to increase the space between your stop loss and your entry point, which is the profits you are locking up. Okay, so as this is going up and down, then it increases again. What do? You adjust your stop loss again, so you can see the amount of profit you've kept for yourself. Okay, so with this you can easily go to bed and sleep. Okay, if the stop loss, if the price action gets to this place and you notice that the trend is coming to an end around there, if you check it out, that is where it changes from green to red. All you just need to do is just to close your trade right here, because it didn't get to your stop loss before the trend comes to an end. But if you adjust your stop loss to this level, and there is probably you are expecting it to break out from this resistance level, and it didn't break out and it reversed back and it gets to your stop loss, you will still be taken out of the market with the profit between here and here. So that makes it very safe for you to trade. It is a simple strategy that you can use to trade this asset successfully. So all you just need to do is just to follow through and understand how to go about it. And in most cases, most of the time, we usually have the problem of where to place the stop loss. Okay, all you just need to do is just to allow the price action to move up above the entry point for a while, you gain some profit, then you divide the space between the action price and the entry point. For instance, right here, let's say this is where sorry, let me keep this first. Let's say this is your current action price, and this is your entry point. So this is where your action price gets. So all you just need to do to know where to place your stop loss is to check out the distance between, the space between this horizontal line and this. Okay, and divide it into 2 equal half. Okay, So divide it into two equal half, and that is it. You place your stop loss there. It is as easy as that. Okay, so that will help you to keep half of the profit for yourself, and as it is increasing, you can always adjust your stop loss. Okay, as it is increasing, you can always adjust your stop loss. Okay, you adjust it up, don't adjust it down if it is coming down. That is if you are on uptrend. Okay, but if you are on downtrend, okay, right here it starts the trend change from uptrend to downtrend, so you can place another buy, sell order here, and as the price action picks up from here and it gets to this level, went back up, came down again. Once it gets to this level, you can see that there are some profits made already. All you just need to do is just to divide it into two. You know that the trend is just starting and this is where it's going to end, so definitely you still have the opportunity, but from the beginning you can't really say when the trend will come to an end. So it is because it has gotten to the end of it, that is why I'm able to spot it out. Okay, from while you are trading you can't really say, so that is why it is important you introduce your stop loss. So you just divide it into two and introduce your stop loss in between it. Okay, so that when there is a sudden reversal in price action, then definitely you will be taken out of the market with the half of the profit. Okay, but if it goes down more, all you just need to do is just to adjust your stop loss downward. Okay, and give it enough room to play around. So as it is playing around, it didn't get to your stop loss, came down again, didn't get there, and came down to this level. All you just need to do is just to adjust your stop loss to somewhere here. Okay, right now it went up and it got to your stop loss. Do you have anything to lose? Not really. Okay, because you have enough profit from here to here. Okay, and remember this is 15-minute time frame. If you should do your calculation, this is a lot of profit. Okay, you can also use this strategy on 30-minute time frame, and you can use it on 30-minute time frame. You can also use it on 1 hour or daily time frame. This is 33 candles. Multiply it by what was it called, multiply it by 15. That will give you the number of minutes spent already. Okay, so that's amazing, right? So that is the way you can use stop loss to lock up some profit for yourself, and you can also use it to trail up the trade from the beginning of the trend to the very end of the trend. So it is an amazing strategy that has been keeping me on in the trading, on the trading platform. So you too can apply the same strategy and use it to milk the market for yourself. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. Okay guys, later on in the evening we will be coming up with the program $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. I know you can't miss that. Okay, so I will be showing up again in the night. Until then, God bless you.